So there are many ways to put rational numbers in order on a number line. There are many ways. So first of all, you have to decide, are you more comfortable with fractions? Are you more comfortable with decimals, or are you more comfortable with percents? So if you say decimals, then you would have to turn all of these into decimal form. If you say percent, then you need to turn them all into percent. So how would you say this in percent? 38 hundredths. Remember, a percent is anything out of 100, so it's 38%. This is done for you. How do you build this to 100%? You multiply by 4. So that'd be 36%. Then how do you build this to 100? Then you multiply by 10. This would be 20%. Then for this one, how do you break it down from 200 to 100%? You divide by 2, so that's 3.5 or 3.5%. And this one, how do you build this to 100 times 2? That'd be 110 or 110%. And last but not least, how do you break this down from 400 to 100? Divided by 4. And I'll be honest, I have no idea what 26 divided by 4 is. 4 goes into 26, 6 times. We're left with 2 left over. Annex 0. 4 goes in 25 times. So it's 6.5 out of 100. Again, percent is anything out of 100. So that's 6.5%. Whoops. So what is the least of all? I wonder if I can move these separately. Oh, good. So 6.5% is the least. Then, 3.5% is the least. Then 6.5%. Then 20%. 36%, 38%, 47.8%, 110%. So this would be 47.8%. And that's how you do it. So another way you could have done it is you could have turned each one into a decimal. So there are many ways of doing it. I personally think it's easier to turn things into a percent. But if you're going to turn each one a decimal, you would have to do 9 divided by 25. 2/10. 7 divided by 200. 55 divided by 50. 26 divided by 400. And then you'll get all the decimals and you put it from least to greatest.